This video demonstrates the efficient installation of the Armourcoat seamless plaster acoustic system. Before proceeding with the installation process, check the substrate with a straight edge to ensure it is flat and without bumps or hollows. Fix the perimeter edging to the ceiling where required. Mix the Armourcoat Bond Plast with water to a smooth, creamy consistency using a plaster mixer. Apply an even layer of Bond Plast to the rear of the acoustic panels with a 4 to 6 mm notch trowel and fix to the ceiling with a firm, even pressure. Where the acoustic pads will overlap the L-section flange, use a blade and trim away a little of the glass wall to ensure the boards sit flat to the ceiling. Once installed, check the acoustic pads for any small lips or height discrepancies and gently sand over any uneven areas to ensure correct alignment. Check the flatness of the pads with a straight edge before applying the acoustic undercoat. Tools for downlight installation. To install downlights, it is necessary to cut a hole of the right size and a 1 to 2 mm recess in the board coating for the flange. Mark the position of the lights and using the hole cutter, cut the hole. In order to create an airtight seal for the light cutouts, apply a layer of Armourcoat Bond Plast to the exposed edge of the glass wall and push the aluminium sleeve into the hole until it is flush with the surface of the board. The Armourcoat acoustic undercoat consists of granules and resin. Mix the two in a tub and mix to a smooth, creamy consistency with a plaster paddle. The Armourcoat acoustic undercoat is a trowel-on version of the acoustic board coating. It will fill any small joins or holes in the surface, cover the flange to edge beads or lights, and provide a consistent coloured surface prior to the application of the acoustic topcoat. Trowel on a layer of the acoustic undercoat to grain thickness. It is best to apply the material fractionally thicker than required and then trowel over with a firm pressure and a little more trowel angle to remove any excess material. The undercoat will fill any narrow joints or surface imperfections and will leave a flat, even surface ready for the application of the acoustic topcoat. After approximately 15 to 20 minutes, trowel lightly over the undercoat with a flat trowel to take out any obvious lines, and then leave to dry. Once the acoustic undercoat is fully dry, Inspect the surface and, if necessary, lightly sand it. You are ready to apply the Armourcoat Acoustic Topcoat plaster. Mix the plaster for 1 to 2 minutes with a high-speed plaster mixer to a creamy consistency. Add a little water if necessary. Apply the Armourcoat Acoustic Topcoat to the dried undercoat surface using a 5mm stainless steel notched trowel. If you have light fittings or sprinklers, it is advisable to apply the plaster around the perimeter of these first, and then work the rest of the plaster into this to get an even coverage. Work over the surface with the notch blade at about a 30-degree angle in long, continuous sweeps to create an even layer of top coat, before then using the flat side of the tool to smooth the plaster to a flat surface. After 20 to 30 minutes, smooth the surface once again and leave the acoustic system to dry. The Armourcoat acoustic plaster system will optimize the acoustics of interior environments. It will absorb unwanted sound and help to create calm and inviting spaces, both residential and commercial.